Are you tired of measuring your materials? Tired of sticky bottles and messy workbenches? Tired of discovering your cast didn't cure properly? Tired of wasting resin, cups and time? So were we. Meet 2K Buddy, a compact desktop mixing and injection system for polyurethane and other two-component materials. Fill your materials, connect the app, prime the system, and start casting. No scales, no manual mixing, no unnecessary mess. 2K Buddy helps you create more consistent results with less effort. Precise ratios, reduced air inclusion, fast setup, repeatable workflows. Built for makers, workshops, prototyping, and small-scale production. We've spent the last years developing tools, machines, and prototypes for makers and small workshops. 2K Buddy started with one simple idea: make professional-grade mixing easier, cleaner, and more accessible. We're now preparing the next step. With your support, we can bring 2K Buddy into production. Support us on Kickstarter. 2K Buddy. Perfect mixes, zero mess, every single time.